The manifold and regulator consists of the manifold with the regulator built into it, the tank and regulated pressure gauges, and the quick connect coupler for the hose. Replacing the manifold and regulator is a fast and easy way to repair your compressor if any of these components are damaged. Common issues are a leaking or damaged regulator, broken gauges, or other damage caused by accidentally tipping the compressor over or something falling on it. Replacing the manifold and regulator is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before you perform any work on your air compressor, make sure that it's unplugged and you've drained any air from the tank. I'll begin by removing the front panel from the compressor. This is the panel that the manifold attaches to. Now remove the panel from the manifold. The manifold is held to the rubber tubing with a crimp clamp. I'll use a pair of cutters to cut it away. Then I can pull the manifold from the tubing. Now I can install the new manifold. First, I'll place a new crimp clamp over the rubber tubing. I'll install the tubing to the manifold, and now secure the crimp clamp. I'll use a pair of end cutters to crimp the clamp. Now resecure the panel to the manifold. And I'll secure the panel to the compressor.